Hi there, Gauravi from Happy to Crochet. So today we are going to learn how to crochet this crossed double crochet stitch. It's beautiful, lightly textured stitch. It's very pretty and elegant looking. It works well in a fluffy yarn like this and equally beautiful in a cotton yarn. It is a lacy stitch. It is same in the front as it is in the back. But before we start with our tutorial, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. It's weekly updated. Do not miss to check out the newly updated videos. Thank you so much for joining with me. Now let's jump straight on it. For today's tutorial, I am using carom cake from Yarnspirations. It is 80% acrylic and 20% wool. The size of this yarn is medium 4 weight. The recommended hook size is 5 mm or US H. This yarn cake is 200 gram, 383 yards and 350 meters. And the color what I am using is bumbleberry. And for the hook, I am using Furls H hook, Streamline Peppermint. So let's get started. So let's begin with a slip knot. On your hook. So this is my slip knot. Now this pattern works in the multiple of 2 plus 1, that is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 plus extra chain 1. So I will chain 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20 plus extra 1. Once you have the correct amount of chain, so let's begin for row 1. So for row 1, we are going to work into the second chain from the hook. We don't count this as a chain, we count from here 1, 2. We are going to work 1 single crochet. You can work either this way or at the back bumps. So I will work in the back loop so that I can get a very nice edge. So this is my second. First is here. It's very difficult to find the first one. So just grab your yarn and pull it forward and you can see this first back bump, back loop over here 1 and 2. This is my second one. So I'm going to work 1 single crochet into that back loop. Into the next one again 1 single crochet and continue to work 1 single crochet all across to the end. So our row 1 will be of single crochet. This is my second. Third. this is my last single crochet into the last stitch. So I finished my single crochet. For row 2, chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and turn. This counts your double crochet. To work your cross double crochet stitch, you are going to skip this first chain and you are going to work one double crochet into the next chain. Skip this one and work into this. Now place one double crochet into this skip chain. So yarn over, insert your hook into that skip chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. So while you pull up a loop, pull a bit longer to the size or length of this first double crochet and then work your normal double crochet stitch, that is yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So this is your first cross stitch. We'll do one more time. So for cross stitch, you will skip this chain and you will work one double crochet into this chain. So wrap around, insert your hook into that chain, yarn over, pull up a loop and work your normal double crochet stitch. Then you are going to work one double crochet into the skip chain. Over here you need to remember to pull the loop a bit longer to the length of the first double crochet stitch and then work your normal double crochet. So this is what your crossed double crochet stitch looks like. We'll do one more time. We'll skip this chain and we'll work one double crochet into this chain. Then we will work one double crochet into the skip chain. Go back into the skip chain and work your double crochet. Remember to pull it a bit longer and work your normal double crochet stitch. One more time, skip this, work one double crochet into the next chain. Then work one double crochet into this skip chain. Pull the loop little longer and work your normal double crochet stitch. One more time. So repeat this until the end of the row and I will see you at the end. Once you are at the end, you have one chain remaining. Work straight one double crochet into that chain into that chain and end your row 2 with one double crochet. So this is what your row 2 of cross stitch will look like. So now for row 3, chain 1 and turn your work. Now we are going to work one single crochet into every stitch of row 2. So place one single crochet into the very first chain. then into this next chain, next chain, next cross stitch. So you will work one single crochet on top of every double crochet from the previous row. So your last stitch will be on top of chain 3. Do not forget to insert in both the loop. So this is your row 3. For row 4, chain 3 and turn. You are going to repeat row 2 for your row 4, and now we are going to work cross stitch. So skip this chain. Into this chain you are going to work one double crochet, then work one double crochet into the next skip chain. Now remember to pull that loop up little bit longer than you normally would before completing your normal double crochet stitch. Then again skip this, work one double crochet into this stitch, then work into that skipped one double crochet, and continue to do this until the end, and I will see you at the end. So after working a cross stitch, the last stitch will always be a double crochet stitch. For the next row, chain 1. Now you are going to repeat row 2 and 3 for your entire pattern. So we finish with repeating row 2. Now we are going to repeat row 3, that is one single crochet in every chain across the row. So you will have single crochet followed by cross stitch, again single crochet followed by cross stitch. So keep doing that until you get your desired length of project, and that's all. This is your crossed double crochet stitch. Once again, I thank you so much for joining with me. If you like my video, hit the like button. If you're watching my video for the first time, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. I will see you with another loving stitch tutorial. Until then, happy crocheting and goodbye.